What's the meaning of Atlanticist? Atlanticist. Atlanticist.
Atlanticist. Atlanticist. Atlanticist refers to individuals or groups who support a close political, economic and military relationship between North America and Europe, particularly through the NATO alliance. The term emerged during the Cold War when the West sought to counterbalance Soviet power. Today, Atlanticism remains relevant as challenges such as terrorism, climate change, and the rise of China and Russia persist. Atlanticists argue that the transatlantic partnership is crucial in promoting global democracy, stability, and prosperity. However, critics contend that it risks alienating other regions and perpetuates inequality in international relations.